Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this newly traded in XT22. This is a 2021 XT22. This boat has a lot of great things on it. Started up here in the bow, we got the Clish speakers, nice wide. It's the pickle fork layout, and then we have the walkthrough. We do have the air dam door to close. You can close the windshield. We went with they have the seat decking on this floor. Cockpit seat all lift up for storage, long bench seat with storage, Clish speakers. It's got the reversible flip couch, does have the removable ski tow bar option, and then it does have the filler cushion pad to snap in there. Filler cushion when you flip the front couch. So all those are really cool. Coming around, it's got nice little subwoofer right behind the seat right there. 7-inch screen. This has the Gen 2 surf system. It's got the nice wraparound windshield. This boat has the 6.0 liter 380 horsepower motor. It's got the 8.0 speakers, 8.0 Clish tower speakers, folding wakeboard racks, easy fold out tower to fold down, nice and easy, awesome boat, a lot of fun. Great ski boat, great surf boat, great wakeboard boat, 22 feet, rated for 16 people. Really great boat. We'll have this up on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. We'll have it here at the store right now, and then come by and take a look at it. And the website's going to be MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. Once again, this is a 2021 MasterCraft XT22 with the 6-liter motor. Very low hours. Thank you.